gets so much attention.
It's
too far though. While he's there,
Just like do it. Yet.
it's not on Sport Plus. So, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new POV Drive. Today, I'm back once again with Pharaoh, and we're filming something that's very, very special. So we're inside the F-Series BMW M3 CS. So, literally the rarest, the most special of this generation of M3. And yeah, as usual, we're going to take it on a quick POV drive. We're going to talk about the car, the driving experience, the specs, and all that stuff. So big thanks to the guys over at Pharaoh, and we're actually using the new YouTube collaboration feature, so both our channels are linked on this video. So please do subscribe to both channels, because Pharaoh is also doing some cool and insane YouTube videos nowadays, like reviewing their stock and showcasing some of the special cars that they have for sale. So yeah, with that out the way, let's talk about the M3 CS. So to summarize this whole package, it's basically a more track-oriented M3. So they've used lighter weight materials, like it has a carbon bonnet, there's a carbon roof, there's a carbon boot, and they've reworked the suspension, like using learnings from the special M4 GTS, and gave it more power. The other thing that you might not otherwise think about is the tires. So these cars came standard with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. So I was still saying about the tires, something you might not think about. So the cars came standard with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. So a very track-oriented tire, and with some heat going on, the amount of grip that you get from these tires, you wouldn't even believe that you're driving an F-Series M car, which are quite popular for being very leery and dangerous to drive, basically. And with this car, the tires now are actually very warm, and there is literally no slip whatsoever. The gearbox on these cars, man, it is so aggressive. This thing is such a dam to drive. I think out of all M3s, this is really my favorite. If I was to choose right now which M3 to buy, I'd literally buy this M3 CS. That's The other thing I've noted is, like, even if you're just taking it easy like this, the car is still very exciting. Like, you don't need to be going at 10 tens to have any fun in this car. Gearbox is such a dime to use. The paddle shifters, that is. Like, look how responsive it is. Like, whether you're downshifting or upshifting, like, it is just a dime to use. This car tells you it's on reserve fuel while it still has like about a quarter tank. They're saying we're passing.
Yeah, go. Slowly. Issue here is when people decide they're not listening to those guys. Just checking for cops.
Okay. Backfires, the volume from the exhaust, that's just what an insane machine, man. this gearbox is doing. It's just so aggressive, man.
Keep going straight.